Now I am repeating the procedure of pushing. You can use the back side of your pencil for getting a cone shape. First do with your back shape and then from the front of the pencil, so that you will get a nice cone shape. You need to do another shape with same amount of quilling strips so that we can attach them together at the end. Now, to make the legs of the bird, you need any of your chosen color. Fold the strip into half. I used half strip and I am again folding it into half. Cut them and use one section of the strip for upper part of the leg and the other for the claws. Here I made a little base for attaching the claws. Also, doing the strip like that, we will get nice curves. Cut that strip into 3 parts and roll them. Now attach them to the base part. The claw is ready. Now attach the upper part of the leg to the base. These two of a head part. There's our legs. I made a little beak. These two coils are for body part. And finally the tail part. Now let's attach all of them together to make this bird. Give them a minute to stick together. Now I am attaching the body part. Attach these two dog shapes side by side to get the tail. If you observe the doll, you will understand. Now attach the head part to the body part. Revert the doll. Add some glue at the bottom to stick the legs. Now put some little glue in the front portion of the face to add a beak. I also attached the tail part. Now the bird is ready. Take a marker or a sketch pen to make the eye of the bird. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And please share this video among your friends. The bird is ready. Hope you like this video. And if you do, please like, share and subscribe to